Hey guys, so it's finally stopped snowing. It's the next day. I'm really bundled up right now. And we're about to go outside and see if there's some snow left so that we can make a snowman. So let's go. Okay, y'all got your snowballs?
Yeah.
You got yours, Aaron? Yeah, that's a big one. Come on.
Let me see y'all. Go get him. Go get him. Run. Go get him.
Get him. Oh! Juanie, you know what? We stuck up on Juanie, guys. We got him. Yo. No, that's it. That's it. Put it down. Oh, it's slippery out here. Okay, I'm gonna come see it. Ooh, that was a good one. Looks better in real life. Alright guys.
Now we have to faint like we did. We got actually fall, not supposed to have.
Alright, you can jump in a pile of snow and just Exactly what it was.
Oh, yeah.
But don't mess it up, because that's what they shovel, okay?
Jump from here. Let it count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Anyway, good night.
Haley's done up.
White. It's not turn.
It's white as snow. Ayla's turn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run. Go. Oh. What in the world? You want to say bye? Bye. Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It is super cold outside and I had to come in the house because my hands are freezing up and I just got super cold. And so that's the end of this snow day, day 17. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like this video, push the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post new content. And I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.